Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to increase media volume using the volume up button and then the volume down button. So if you have a media playing on your phone and now you want to use the volume up button or the volume down button to control the volume, then here's a video for you. So if any of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to use the volume button to increase media volume on your Samsung Galaxy phone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on sounds and vibration. Now once you selected sounds and vibration, you want to scroll down the page, locate volume and click on that. Now once you selected volume, scroll down, then here you see use volume button for media. Control the media volume by default when you press the volume button. So if you want to use the volume buttons for your media control, just go ahead and turn this on, and then you will be able to use your volume button, the down button, and then the up button to be able to control the media volume. So that is exactly how to turn on or how to enable control media volume with side buttons. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.